I don't think anybody is ready to have a stroke. I am constantly looking for what are the options for treatment. I think everybody is just looking for a ray of hope.
Over the last many years, we have learned that there are several things that can improve post-stroke recovery. Number one was an enriched environment. Anything that can stimulate cognitive, motor, sensory recovery, and high-dose, high-intensity movement. We developed SENRG to do exactly that. We wanted this to be as far from a clinical room as possible. We wanted patients to walk in and not at all feel like they were in a hospital room or a clinic room.
This video game is more than just a video game. It's really an interactive experience that's coupled with a trained clinician that really helps motivate the patient, but also attempt to focus on this high repetition of quality of movement in a 3D space. So the patients aren't just hanging out with Bandit the dolphin. They're actually being asked to move their arm in ways that they haven't been able to before, and then do it at an intensity and frequency that really might help them get better.
You're always going to the next level. So like right now, I really want to work on my hand dexterity. Your range of motion isn't where it needs to be in one area. It figures that out and makes the program adapt so that the next round, you're in that area where your range of motion isn't.
This high level of treatment that we want to achieve, we have to learn how to do it best. And what we figured out was one patient at a time is going to show us how we can be the best that we can be for that one patient. Our team wants to show up for that one person and their family.
I spend time trying to figure out all the little things that we might miss. Like I make fresh baked cookies for our participants in the morning, so when they come in, it doesn't smell like a doctor's office.
You know, the program rejuvenated me, and I moved away from this cycle of, am I ever gonna get better? And you actually do, it's like a spark goes on within you and you actually feel it, and other people can sense it as well.
When people believe they can get better, it is a fabulous starting point and a fabulous ending point. The group at SENRG provide that hope, and we love to see it in our patients because it tells us that we're moving them in the right direction.